Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to tell you about essay on education. Let's start the video. Education has a very important role in our lives. Education is the word Education is the word that teaches a person to live life. Education is the word that teaches a person to live life. Education is the key to a successful and good life. Education is the key to a successful and good life. Education should be equally for both men and women. Education should be equally for both men and women because when both are educated when both are educated they can make they can make a better and they can make a better and healthy society. People can find new sources of employment and thus can eliminate poverty. People can find new sources of employment and thus can eliminate poverty. Education is a powerful tool with the help of which one can face the biggest challenges. One can face the biggest challenges. It will not be wrong to it will not be wrong to say that education is the light that education is the light which removes poverty, ignorance, and illiteracy from society. Good education Good education teaches us how to be good citizens. Good citizens. This helps make our communities. This helps make our communities better places, better places to live. Education opens our minds to new ideas and possibilities. Education opens our minds to new ideas and possibilities. It improves our knowledge, skills, and confidence level. Education is very useful in everyone's life. Education is what sets us apart from other living beings. Education empowers human beings and prepare them to face the challenges efficiently.